Hey guys, so today I'm doing this really affordable look for you using mostly drugstore products, and I hope you guys like it. It's really simple, but it's like a really nice, cute kind of classic neutral, so I hope you guys enjoy. So first I'm going to start out by priming my eyelids. For that I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer. I've been really loving this concealer a lot lately since I bought it. It's really inexpensive and it's so full coverage and long wearing. It's awesome. So next I'm going to take this City Mini palette from Maybelline. This is the matte palette, and I'm starting out with this white shade, and I'm going to use this under my eyebrow just to kind of highlight my brow bone. I really like to start out every look I do by doing like a light neutral matte under my eyebrow and kind of pulling it down towards my crease. So next I'm taking this mid-tone kind of mauve-y color. It's sort of like a pinky mauve-y brown. And using a Morphe brush, I'm putting that in my crease. I'm pretty sure the whole video I did use Morphe brushes for the most part. And yeah, just putting that all over the crease area. And then I'm going to go in with this deepest kind of chocolatey color. And we're going to start by putting that in the outer corner. And then I'm also going to put it on the inner corner of my eye. And then using the tip of the brush, I took some extra and pulled that across my crease, just leaving right the center of my lid bare with no product on it. And then I'm going to take this medium tone brown and use a really small kind of crease brush to start buffing out the edges of that dark brown. And then at this point I kind of went back and forth like I do whenever I'm blending, where I'll kind of go back with a deeper color and then I'll go back with some of the lighter shades and just sort of blend over top of each other with all my different size crease brushes, just to make sure the whole look is really blended out and softened. I'm going to go under my eye with the exact same colors I did on the top, so starting with the lightest crease shade and then working up to the medium shade and then the darkest shade, and just putting that all the way across my lower lash line. And then when I apply this deep color, I'm applying it really close to my lashes, but I do also apply it in my waterline. I'm the kind of person where I feel like shadow lasts longer on my waterline than pencil does, so that's why I do that. And then I'm taking a mix of the two lightest colors and applying that on my inner corner. It was mostly just to brighten the inner corner and kind of blend so that the crease colors and like the deeper colors really faded into the inner corner, because halo eyes on me don't look as good unless my inner corner is really bright. So now I'm taking this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit eyeshadow. This is one of the new ones from that holographic collection or something like that, whatever that holographic collection is. And I am just putting this on the little flat brush. I'm putting that on my lid, and then I'm putting on these lashes from Dodo Lashes. These Wet n Wild Catsuit, I really like this particular shade. It really reminds me of the Stila shadows, which is why I bought it. The other ones are more, to me, just like cream shadows, but this particular color has a lot of glitter like the Stila ones do, so I was really impressed with that product. So for my face, I am taking in this e.l.f. blush. I did already have like my foundation and everything on, which if I remember what I was wearing, I will list it below. And then for my highlight, I'm using this Wet n Wild highlight, which is also from that new holographic collection from Wet n Wild. It's the lighter of the two shades that came out with that collection. And then finally for my lip, I'm using this Sephora liquid lipstick. I realized I actually don't really have a lot of drugstore lip products, but this is more on the inexpensive side, so that's why I decided to go with this one. And this one is called Pink Frosting, I believe, but I will make sure and put the name down below. Alright guys, that's the finished look. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.